Hello everybody, this is Adam again. Today we're looking at a 1968 Ford Thunderbird, 429 cubic inch big block. This thing has got the power, guys, and it is so much fun to drive. It is very snappy and quick. As we start to go around the car, please notice that it does have a brand new paint job, brand new tires. The seats have been completely redone. It has a brand new vinyl roof. There is just going to be way too many things for me to sit here and list about all the different things that have been, done on this car and all the work that's taken place. I am going to be putting a very aggressive price on this car. It has to go away. Like I said before, my name is Adam. My telephone number is on the screen. Give me a call, make an appointment, come down, take a look at the car. Let me, go out on a test drive with you. It'll be a lot of fun. You'll enjoy it, and I'm sure that you'll agree that this is just an incredible piece of our history. Thank you very much. Good shopping and good luck.